Thinking about buying a dump trailer for your landscaping gigs but wondering if it's really worth it? So, you've been doing mostly maintenance but lately picked up some small to medium landscape install jobs, right? A dump trailer could totally help you keep the job site tidy by hauling debris instead of piling it in a client's yard. It makes your work look way more professional and saves your back when it's time to dump everything at the landfill. Plus, you can slap your business name on the trailer for free advertising wherever you go. The one you're eyeing is a lightly used 5x10 load trail with a 7,000 pounds gross vehicle weight rating for $6,500. It's small but perfect for tight streets and tricky client spots. Your truck is a 2005 Toyota Tundra V6, which isn't a beast but should be fine for mulch, green waste, and lighter stuff. You don't want to haul heavy rock or concrete with it, which is smart to avoid stressing your truck. Planning to upgrade to a 3/4 ton truck next year makes this trailer a good step in between. Dump trucks cost way more upfront and for insurance too, so your choice makes sense. Dumpsters seem cheaper here with rentals around $400 for 20 yards, but they don't let you haul yourself or keep things neat on site like a trailer would. One of the biggest mistakes with buying dump trailers is getting one that's too big or heavy for your tow vehicle, which can mess up your truck's performance and safety. Stick with what your Tundra can handle easily. Another common issue is ignoring trailer maintenance like brakes and tires. These need regular checks or you'll risk breakdowns that kill your schedule. Lastly, some folks don't plan their dumping spots carefully and end up wasting time driving all over or paying extra fees. Choose your landfill or dump station ahead of time and map out the best route to save time and money. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with reliable local contractors who get the job done right without the hassle. For contractors, it's a solid way to find new clients and grow your business with trusted leads in your area.